Hello class 5. In our last class we had an introduction class of MS Excel and today we will know about the advantages of spreadsheet. As we know, MS Excel 2013 is the powerful electronic spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft and which is released on 30th September 1987. To perform a variety of tasks like mathematical, financial, logical calculation, data analysis. Advantages of spreadsheet. So the first advantage of spreadsheet is data can be entered very fast and changes can be made very easily. So that means we can enter our data in a spreadsheet very quickly and also the changes can be made it very easily. So error calculation free. So if your formula is correct, there should be no error in the calculations. Any changes made in the data recalculation is automatically done. If you wanted to change any changes in your data, so recalculation is possible, which is done by automatically. Analysis of large amount of data. As we know, MS Excel can store a large amount of data, so which can be analyzed. Data can be viewed in a pictorial form. So we can view your data in a pictorial form by inserting chart. Used in many places like business, school, offices, etc. So these are the few advantages of spreadsheets. We will know more things about MS Excel in our next classes.